I have to say that it isn't the first time when we met the functions in this course. So what does it mean? Because this is our function, right? So we created it. So I can write something like our function. But after that, we have some prepared functions, and we've already used them. So because there are lots of prepared functions in Python. For example, do you remember, I will comment it out only for clarity. So if I would like to print, for example, David, and I will run it, I will see David here, nothing special, but we have some prepared functions. So for example, len, do you remember it? They're like length. So it means how many letters is in the string. So I will call it, or I will run it, and we have here number 5. So it means how many letters is there? David, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. And the len is something like this, but we don't have to create it because it's prepared functions. Okay, so it's already there, it's already in Python. For example, the print it's a function as well. So len is function, and print like hello. So the print is function as well. It's again is prepared function. Okay, it's already in Python, we just use it, and that's it. That's the goal. Okay, so we have two types of functions: our functions, which we create, and it will do exactly what we want, and after that we have some functions which are already in Python, and we just use them. That's all.